Hey, what do you say we draw a Christmas Minion? This little guy's all decked out in a Santa suit and ready to spread some holiday cheer. Grab your pencil and let's get started. Hi, my name's Kathy, and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. You know, my favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. I always like to work with center pencil guidelines on my paper, but you could also just fold your paper in half in both directions to make some creased lines to follow. Let's begin by drawing a nice large circle for the right side of that goggle. Make some marks to plan how tall and wide yours is going to be, and then slowly connect those marks with a nice curved line. I like to draw circles in two steps like this, one side and then the other. I get my best results that way. After one circle is complete, then we need to draw a matching circle on the other side. So make your marks and do the same thing. And note that those circles do touch on that center line. After those outer circles are done, then we need to add a smaller circle inside. This is a little easier to do because you can just follow the curve of the outside circle. So draw one on one side of the goggle, and then of course do the same thing on the other side. Now for those cute minion eyes. Draw a circle in one side of the goggle, about the size of a quarter or so. Then draw another circle that matches it on the other side. And when you're happy with both of those, then go back and add smaller circles inside for the pupil, the black spot. If you're a fan of the anime style of eyes, now's the time to add two highlights, a circle near the top of the eye and then one near the bottom. Now these goggles need to have a little shape added on the right and the left, kind of like a rectangle that's attached. To finish the top of the minion head, add the straight sidelines and then connect them with a curve. Let's move on to draw the brim of the Santa hat that the minion's wearing. So I'm drawing one side with a nice curved line, and then I'll do the same thing on the other side. And it looks like my kitty has come to check out what I'm doing here. After that brim is in place, then it's pretty easy to finish off the rest of the Santa hat like this, including that fuzzy ball on the end. To draw the bottom of the minion face, continue the sidelines down, and then connect them with a nice rounded curved line here too. Now a rounded collar for that Santa suit can get added. I'm drawing one side and then matching it on the other. Moving on to the minion's mouth, let's start with a very simple smile shape first. Then we can go back and add some teeth. I'm keeping mine pretty simple, just two larger ones on each side on the top, and then some rounded shapes below. To finish off the Santa suit, we just need to draw straight lines for the sides, and then add another puffy rounded shape, something that looks just like that collar above. The arms are pretty simple. Start by drawing a straight line down from the collar. Add the puffy shape that's like the cuff at the bottom of the sleeve. Add a very simple mitten. And when one side is done, then do the same on the other side. A straight line for the sleeve, a rounded edge for that puffy cuff shape, and a mitten. The belt is made with a rounded rectangle shape in the center and a smaller shape inside, and then a pair of curved lines coming out from that for the actual belt. And then add some lines in the middle so we can have a white stripe for the middle of the suit. The little minion legs can get added now with a small curve for the ankle and a larger curve for the boot. Let's add a quick horizon in the background so we can separate the ground from the sky. Okay, it looks like our drawing is done, so I'm going to stop and trace all of my lines with a thin black marker. And while I'm at it, I'm going to use that marker to fill in the mouth and the black spot in the eyes too. After the tracing is done, it's really good to take a moment to erase any pencil lines that are still showing so we don't color over them. Okay, the crayons can come out now, and lucky for us, that light yellow crayon color is perfect for that minion body. I'm going to use a silver color for those goggles, a little brown for those eyes, red, of course, for the Santa suit, and a little black for the belt and the boots. Here's a tip now to make the nice soft snow that you see in my sample. You don't need to draw circles with a pencil or a marker, just draw them with a blue crayon. Make them a little bit large, like the size of a pea or so, and then carefully color around them. You'll end up with these nice white snowflakes that don't have a heavy look to them. It's a really great way to color and draw snow. Here's another look at a scanned version of my finished drawing. I hope it shows you that you can get some really great color out of crayons. You just have to press pretty hard to do it. Hey, if you enjoyed this drawing lesson, then check out my website, Arts Projects for Kids, where you'll find many more holiday tutorials, including one for drawing a Christmas gnome and a Santa Yoda. I hope you check them out too, and I hope you keep on drawing.